Hi everybody. Today's video we're going to learn how to use sound effects to alter your sound files in Audacity. So I have a 7-second sound file here. I'm just going to hit play.
All right, this is a test of sound effects and how to use different sound effects.
There we go. So now we're just going to change it. So to use sound effects, you need to highlight which part of the sound file you want to change. So for example, maybe I want to fade in my sound. So I'm just going to fade in the first second by highlighting it with my mouse. So I'm holding my left mouse button down, and moving my mouse. So that's where the effect will take place. I'm going to go to Effect and pick one of these effects. So I'm going to go to Fade In. So it should be, let's see here, up here. There we go, fade in, and you'll see the lines are smaller, so it's not as loud there. Now I'm going to add just a random sound effect in the middle here. Go to Effects, and maybe I want it distorted in some way. So I'm going to hit Apply, Close. Now you'll see it has changed. So let's just listen to what it sounds like.
All right, this is a test of sound effects and how to use different sound effects.
All right, and I'll try one more. I'm just going to highlight this area where I want a sound effect to go with my mouse. Go to Effect, and maybe I'll go to Echo. And you can change the delay time and delay factor. I'm just going to leave it in there. So the delay time is 1 second. So there should be a 1 second echo during this stretch. And we'll see.
All right, this is a test of sound effects and how to use different sound effects.
There it was. So that's how you add sound effects in Audacity. You need to highlight where you want the sound effect to take place, go into Effects, and choose what effect you want, and you can change the parameters. If you want to change the speed, you can change the speed here, and what type of change you want in each effect.